Module 4, Lesson 40, and we are finding the number that makes 10 again. We're just doing it a different way this time. So now I have my 5 group boxes, so I have 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. I'm going to set up the first problem for you, and I want you to fill out the number sentence on your own, the addition equation. And then I want you to try to figure out another problem that you could do on your own to make 10. Okay, so our first, the problem I'm going to set up for you says, color 2 boxes red, the 5 group way, color the rest blue to make 10. Fill in the number sentence. So the first color the problem told me to use was red. And it said color 2 boxes red. So that means I need to color the first 2 boxes on the top red. I can't go top and bottom because I'm doing the 5 group way. 1, 2. And then the problem told me to color the rest blue. So I have 2 red. How many blue will I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I had 2 red and 8 blue. Can you fill out the number sentence, the addition equation for me, and send me a picture? And then also, can you come up with another way that you could color the boxes and write another number sentence for me?